Okay, so we just finished configuring the ADA restroom. We have to adjust our building footprint. And it may not stop there because if you remember our lecture on um, stairways, let's go up here. So on our stairways, because our occupant load is going to be more than 49 on the upper floor, that we have to create a second exit. And so we're gonna have we have because we have two floors, then we have stairs obviously, and because the occupant load is more than 49, we need two distinct exits, which means also two distinct stairways. Okay, so also stairway landings, there are landings required for the stairway. I believe I pointed out earlier that the vertical rise of a stairs cannot go more than 12 feet without having a landing, and then there must be a landing that is equal to the length, that the length is equal to the width of the stair, and the depth is equal to the width of the stair, or 48 inches, whichever is less. So we have to do that. So now, going back to AutoCAD, we are required to have a second landing. We can put it here. We can have it straight, but I don't think we will have enough length because we have a tall floor to floor, 14 feet, and this configuration will go 14 feet with all the handrails. So if I measure this distance, let's measure the landing here first. If we meet the criteria, and that's supposed to be 48 inches. There you go, 4 feet, 48 inches. So if I measure this distance, DIST, and I measure from this corner to this corner, that is 15 feet. And then we're going to have another one here, distance again, oh, DIST, 15 feet and 10 feet. So that's 25 feet and 1 inch. Okay. So 25 feet and 1 inch. And then we have a landing on both edges. So if I get the distance here, this is 31. So we have 25 plus 4 feet. That's 29 plus another 4 feet. So I can't do a straight run here. I was thinking I could do a straight run here on the back side of the wall, and it doesn't look like I can meet that requirement. I still have some storage room and preparation room and counters to just to locate, and I will find out that I need to expand over here. Okay, so instead of a straight run stair, and what does a straight run stair look like? Let me show you. Straight run means that it doesn't turn. So straight run stair. Uh, Images. There you go. So that's a straight run stair. One straight run, and then you have to have a landing. So it will be something like this. So you have to go up high, have a landing. If it's more than 12 feet, you have to have a landing, and then go up to the very, very um, last landing, which is the upper floor. So that's a straight run stair. And we can have that on this design because we're limited with this space here. I can relocate the restroom somewhere else, but um, that was my initial plan. I'm going to go and show through it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this layout and put that on this side over here. So I'm just going to do a copy, CP for copy, select everything here. Okay, move that on the side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just mirror that. So I'm going to MI mirror, select everything, and then select 2 points from here to here, horizontal. And then, do you want to erase the object originally? Yes, I want to erase that. No, there it is. And then I wanted to use this back wall as this line here. So I'm going to just move now. And I'm going to use this wall to here, but I wanted to move it again so that I will be perpendicular to this wall. Okay, so there you go. It's perpendicular. Remember, I have this temporary line here, so I'm going to just erase that. Okay, and this would be a continuation now of my building. Now, I have to have 4 feet here, so I'm going to do an offset of 4 feet, 48 inches here to here. There you go. And it doesn't help to put my building all the way done over here, but every square foot counts. So I'm just gonna do the minimum and relocate the clearance here. So I'm gonna do an offset of 7 inches, and that's gonna be my rear wall. So I'm gonna do a match property, select this, and select both of these. Press enter, and then I wanted to continue this wall. Remember, this is a lot line, so this wall is CMU. These ones are not. We're gonna differentiate that one when we get to construction drawings. So I'm gonna just select this back wall over here, and then go straight up to that one, and then I want to clear this up. So I'm gonna do a trim. I'm gonna trim that and trim this. Okay. I didn't turn off the X-ray for the site plan so that I can see how I'm gonna adjust it. Okay, press escape. I'm gonna do a fillet or fillet. This one, fillet, and this one too. Then we're gonna talk about extensions of this firewall on the each side if we are required to. Okay, and then I will extend this maybe up to here, but the minimum space is 48 inches. So um, if this is my stairs, I have to have a minimum corridor of 48. So if I want to do the minimum, I have to do offset and 44 from here to here. Uh, but that's really odd. But so let's measure the distance. What is the distance from this to this property line? And that is 12 foot 6. Yeah, I think that's okay. So we're gonna do an offset of 7 inches, select from here to here. I want to do measurements of whole numbers, so that's why it was important for me to measure distances like that. Now this is the outer wall now, so if I measure that again, it's going to be, because our wall is about 7 or 8 inches, uh, but from inside to outside, it's 12 foot 6. Okay, which is good for me. Now I'm going to just fix this corner by doing a fillet or fillet, and then clean this up by doing a trim. There you go. Okay, so I have a corridor here. Later on, I may want to expand up to here, but until then, I'm just gonna locate it that way or this way. Yeah, okay. Uh, that's how to locate the second floor. Oh, I don't want anything here on this one, so I will actually cut this here and then do a trim. Let's do a break. So I'm gonna do a break from here to here, and do a break from here to here. There you go. And then I have an extra line here. Delete. And so I'm gonna just fillet that. And this one here, here, here. Okay, that seems odd that you have a sticky wall that sticks here, and that's okay because if you don't want to move, if you don't need to move, you don't need to move unless you want to move it. And we already moved this chased wall by 6 inches just to accommodate and line up with the requirements of the restroom. Yeah, but so that's our sort of escape corridor, and we're gonna put a door here later. But yeah, we just move our building again to accommodate our second exit. Okay.